I'm late.
Hey, Chuckles.
Detective Chuckles. What? You didn't good?
I loved that look.
If you press an alarm, I will bring you in.
Summer lovin' had me a blast. Summer lovin' happened so fast.
I met a girl crazy for me.
I met a boy, cute as can be.
The summer days drifting away
To all those summer nights. Wella.
She's just leaving.
I'm Lisa.
Because you think you don't deserve happiness. But what you don't realize is you need a little saving too. Little help, please.
It disrupts the electrical communication between your nerves and your neurotransmitters. Shoulders, pelvis, abdomen, groin. SPAG.
There you go again. Saving me from that evil drug.
Go save the city.
Aw, I love that mug.
Hi.
So loud. Thought you were the delivery guy.
Wish I was. Nice cat.
Guys, which way?
Right. Left.
Any volunteers?
All right, no, I've been running, getting paperwork all morning. I think I'm due.
Which will allow you to definitively testify in court on the reaction to the electrical
Okay, we
exposure.
get it, man, okay?
Oh, good. A volunteer.
That was worth the price of admission.
You'd have to be a weather wizard. Ooh, been waiting since week 1 to use that one.
You're next.
I volunteered at Taser.
I don't owe you much from last time.
Yeah, that's probably for the best.
Never.
This is a sex club. People have sex inside.
I'll do the talking.
Some have not been.
Oh God, that I do remember.
Where do you want it? S-P-A-G.
Shoulders. G. Don't you dare.
My boyfriend, he's...
Did you guys break up?
No. What does your suit look like?
Like a suit.
It has to look high-end.
I have nice suits.
I'd like to yell and wave my arms. I'm afraid I'd throw up.
You're up, lady.
Oh, I think we've seen enough.
Oh, the X26 does not discriminate by gender. March it over here.
It's payback time.
Did you sneak a peek at my good?
You alright? Just checking.
Yeah, I'm glad we're all having fun with this.
I know there's the Flash.
I love you, fine. But when you're reading the paper tomorrow about that poor little old lady getting robbed,
How do you know it's a little old lady?
please, it's always a little old lady.
Get a picture of me for my album cover.
Oh, you got that? Oh.
Okay, is that good for you? Because in this light, your eyes are like really sparkling. How can you speak 6 languages and sound like a dick in everyone?
Are you okay?